Welcome to Syncious. Today, let's understand the workflow of Altair Radioss application on Cloud HPC with the SyncHPC hosting platform. First, let's understand the Cloud HPC infrastructure. It is simply your high-performance computing system placed outside your organization's premises. Here are some examples of public cloud service providers. Similarly, many large-scale organizations are also having their private cloud infrastructure. As this infrastructure is placed outside your premises and also, it is very complicated to utilize. So, application users need a hosting platform to access and utilize it very effectively. With SyncHPC hosting platform, users can deploy, manage and utilize their public cloud or private cloud HPC very significantly. Today, many large-scale organizations and institutes are performing their big computing jobs and projects with these applications on cloud infrastructures with SyncHPC. Now, let's see how application users are performing their Altair Radioss application jobs very effortlessly. As SyncHPC is a web browser-based platform, users can access it from anywhere at any time. This is the structure of SyncHPC, where users can manage their clusters and submit their respective application jobs. It also allows you to access high-end Windows workstations. Users can also scale up and scale down the number of cores as required for their jobs. Users can also get connected and able to access their cloud storage with SyncHPC. At Submit Jobs, the users can select their respective applications to perform their job. Here, we will check the workflow with Altair Radioss application and then a few more steps to submit the job. Here are those few steps to submit the jobs. First is the job settings. It includes these basic selections. The second step is to choose the required application version from the list. The third is to select the required or desired file from the cloud storage. And the last step is to submit the job. Users can also select the Stop All Compute nodes after job completion. Great! With these 4 stages, users have submitted their job. Users can also monitor the progress of their job by selecting the Show Output option. Here, they can see all activity including the errors if occurs. Syncious is a team of HPC experts with multiple HPC hosting platforms like SyncHPC, SyncVDI, SyncAPI and SyncExplorer. And for more details, kindly contact us.